If the season's cold weather is keeping you under your duvet, I have an antidote to this coma-like status. Roasted chestnuts. I'm going to reveal the perfect receipt and, more to the point, the trick to get their skin off easily. Let's start. Chestnuts are a very sweet autumn fruit, and they can be cooked in several different ways: hard-boiled, pan-roasted, called caldarroste, and baked like we're going to do them today. The first thing is to check how the fruit is healthy. So if you notice some small holes like this, it means there's a little guest inside, and the chestnut must be thrown away. Then we need to check if they are fresh. If the skin crunches when you squeeze them like this, then it means they're a bit old. Other than that, the skin would be soft and shiny. And now I'm going to reveal to you the little trick we set up. I'm going to score the chestnuts with a knife. And now I soak them. It will be easier to peel them once cooked. But since, I'm very greedy and couldn't wait to eat them, I went straight ahead and prepared them. Baking tray on the working table, lined with baking paper, and down the chestnuts go. I'll stir them a bit, and then we'll cook them. 180 degrees for about 25–30 minutes, so as of the 20th minute, I could give it a try. But mind, only try one, not too many, otherwise they'll all be gone. Oh, the last thing. Once they're ready, cover them with a tea towel. Let them rest for 15 minutes. It will be extremely easy to peel them, and the temperature will be right. Finally, my hands are getting warmer, thanks to my baked chestnuts, which must be served with new wine or with a good cup of mulled wine. Do you like the trick to peel them faster? Now you do it, and let me know.